Sometimes she finds a stick, but just don't know its place. What are you doing? Are you getting that stick? Are you getting that stick? Huh? Here you be. Are you getting it? Are you getting that stick? Getting that stick? Well, tell her who the boss is. There you go. Good morning from Alabama. I don't remember what day it is. It's crazy. It's like Sunday morning. I've been in Alabama since like Thursday. I've been parked so long, I'm not sure I remember how to drive, but I got to deliver this load at 4:30 this afternoon. It's 34 degrees. We're fighting sticks. Watching the sun come up. So, I believe it's going to be a good day. That's the only update I got. Hopefully we're rolling this evening. So, have a good day. God bless you.